Venue for this show is fantastic. I mean, you can't beat this spot. You can't beat the attitude of the people. It's as good as we could ask for.
Singapore Yacht Show 2013 is shaping up to be the region's premier lifestyle event this year.
Looking at the display, there's a wide range of exhibits, and I visited the Monaco show as well. This is getting to be as good as Monaco show. Certainly for this part of the world, it's a top-class show.
Asian markets, as I say, we've got a boat based out here. We've been to the China show. We're looking for new customers out here. We think there's a great potential over here in Asia. It's going to take time. You've got to show yourself at each exposition there. But we think in 2 or 3 years' time, we're going to have quite a few boats out here. Singapore is a great city. I love coming here. You know, it's action. It's a clean place. Everybody's friendly. I really enjoy the time over here.